Good morning, everyone. It's Friday, and what a 24 hours it's been across crypto and traditional markets. Let's dive right in. First up, the headline that sent shockwaves through the crypto world. Kwon just got sentenced to 15 years in prison for his role in the $40 billion Terraform Labs fraud. A reminder that consequences eventually catch up even in this Wild West industry. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's been on a bit of a roller coaster, briefly dipping below $90,000 before stabilizing around $92,000. And here's the kicker. Over $2 billion in leveraged short positions are sitting on the edge, ready to be liquidated if Bitcoin manages to push back up to $95,000. The market's tense right now, with traders on Kalshi giving Bitcoin only a 28% chance of recrossing the $100,000 mark before year-end. And we saw $310 million in long positions get wiped out in the past day alone. But it's not all red candles and liquidations. The CFTC just announced they're withdrawing outdated virtual currency guidance, which could signal a friendlier regulatory environment ahead, and the SEC is making moves too, approving the DTCC's plan to tokenize stocks, bonds, and treasuries, with Chair Paul Atkins openly saying U.S. financial markets are moving on-chain. Speaking of institutional adoption, JP Morgan just issued commercial paper for Galaxy Digital Holdings on the Solana blockchain. MassMutual's $100 million Bitcoin bet from years ago is now worth over $500 million, and Disney's dropping a cool $1 billion into OpenAI. On the product front, Klarna's building Bitcoin and crypto wallet features into their fintech platform. Save the Children launched a Bitcoin fund to maximize donations. YouTube now lets US creators get paid in stablecoins, and Revolut partnered with Trust Wallet for instant zero-fee crypto purchases with self-custody in the EU. The altcoin space is buzzing too, with XRP seeing 10.2 million in ETF inflows, bringing total assets to 939 million. Ethereum ETFs pulled in 55 million from BlackRock clients, and Solana's having a moment with Coinbase enabling direct trading of all Solana tokens through their DEX without official listings, plus DYDX opening spot trading to US users for the first time starting with Solana, and Bhutan just launched a sovereign gold-backed token on the network. Traditional markets weren't sleeping either. The S&P 500 hit a fresh all-time high, its first since late October and the 37th of the year, while silver absolutely exploded to a new record of $63.92 per ounce, actually flipping Microsoft to become the world's fifth largest asset by market cap. Costco crushed earnings with revenue up 8% and digital sales soaring over 20%. Broadcom beat expectations with AI semiconductor revenue set to double year over year to $8.2 billion, and Rivian unveiled their in-house AI chip, claiming 4 times the performance of their previous NVDA system. President Trump's making headlines saying the stock market keeps hitting all-time highs because of tariffs, and he's even considering eliminating taxes on gambling winnings, while the U.S. trade deficit dropped to its lowest level since 2020. That's your full wrap of the past 24 hours. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you tomorrow with another update. Make sure to hit follow so you don't miss it.